Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can create typewriter caption on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm gonna open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm gonna select video and then select new, and we can choose a video we want to edit or a video we want to add typewriter caption to. Okay, for the video, I'm just going to choose video from my camera album, and wait, I'm gonna choose video from here. For example, I'm going to select this video. I'm going to create a caption for this video. Okay, now the video has been added to my project, and I'm going to create caption for this video. If you want to add caption, we can click on the text option, and then we can select caption, and then we can choose the language. And since the video is in English, so I'm gonna select English, and then here you can choose the template for your caption. And since we want to add typewriter caption or caption with typewriter style or animation, we can choose this one guys, typewriter style. Okay, and then click on the check mark, and once you're ready to create the other caption, you can click on start. Okay, and I'm going to select free unlock. Okay, and just hold on guys. Right, and now it's still processing. You can monitor it right here, and it depends on the duration of your video and the size of your video as well. Okay, and this is the result guys. The typewriter caption has been added to my video. Okay, and you can change the font if you want, or you can do batch editing just in case if you're not satisfied with the auto caption. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create typewriter caption on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.